this is Jackie with WTI. Do you like to keep your soup and your food hot all day long, and you don't want to have to come back home to microwave it or heat it up on the stove? That's my lifestyle. So I love this Hydro Flask 20-ounce food container. It is great for storing my soup. I heat it up in the morning. I take it on the go. It doesn't spill, it doesn't leak. I throw it in my bag and I'm good to go for lunch. And I have hot soup. It's also the texture is a grippy rubber on this lid, so it's easy to grip and open.
I won't burn my hands on the outside of this, but inside is stainless steel, so it keeps your soup and food burning piping hot.
I like the look of it, and you see that steam. Can you see the steam coming up? Here, maybe if I do this. It is still steaming hot, and I made this, heated it up this morning, and now it's almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's still hot and fresh and ready for me to eat. I absolutely love and recommend this container by Hydro Flask for your hot food and hot soup. And that's my point of view.